Hey guys, what's up? It's Monday. Very slow weekend all around. Not many sales on eBay. We had a few on Amazon. We had like 12 on eBay, 2 on our second store, 2 on Bonanza, and about 30 on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. Even though FBA is going pretty well all of this time. Merchant fulfill orders are. It was a slow weekend for that, so I know for a fact that they're changing some stuff on in eBay's platform. So I know it might affect, the sales. So right now I'm gonna pull eBay orders, and then I'm gonna pack them, and then Amazon Merchant Fulfill orders. So I'm gonna pull the eBay orders right now. So I picked all the orders from both of eBay stores and Bonanza. So we sold a click on ship and this game on our second store. That's 12 and 10 bucks. Main store we sold this CD only. Another video game. DVD, book, Good Night Darth Vader, a set of vintage cards about war, golf, Persian Gulf. Bonanza, we sold Ink and Monty Python series. This is eBay main store. We sold Precious Moments. Sony projector alarm clock. Pretty cool. Sold this for $22. This went for $60. It's a Memorex CD alarm clock. We sold a taxonomy. Sold this vintage book for $12. A really tiny binoculars, and we sold new with tags backpack, camouflage backpack. Sold this for $60. So yeah, this is everything that I need to pack for all the eBay, second eBay, and Bonanza. And I'm gonna pull. I have about around 30 orders to pull from my tiny merchant fulfill place, and that's it. That's what I'm gonna do next. So I'm gonna pack those, and right after I'm done pulling more orders, I'm gonna go through more DVDs and list them. And I have those DVDs that are listing pending, and I have CDs here and here that I might take down today once I'm done with that. But I have a lot of personal things to attend to, so I'm not so sure how the day will go. So I'm gonna pack those, and then I'm gonna see what happens. So I finished packing all eBay, everything eBay and Bonanza, and I'm gonna pull some merchant fulfill orders. Let's see, got another one in. 32 total items. So I'm gonna pull them and then start packing them. My merchant fulfill system, inventory system, is not so good because I'm having a hard time to find to pull the items basically. So I have to find another and better way. So I'll address that once I'll be done with those. So I pulled all the Amazon Merchant Fulfill items. Those are DVDs and CDs. All are classic CDs, classic music. Yes, some went for 7, 10, and some went for 20, 30. Which is good. They're horrible ranks. I'm still amazed that they're keep selling. But those items are pretty. Some of them are good ranks, some of them are not so good. This went for 65 alone. So yeah, I'm gonna start packing them. So everything is packed. I packed a few more items and they are in the office already. So I'm gonna print I'm gonna print the labels for those. Hopefully my shipping label printer will be here this week, so I can set up everything here. So yeah, I'm gonna print those labels and list probably those DVDs, go over the rest of the DVDs and maybe I have time to list them all, so that's what I'm gonna do next. So basically most of the day I just handled personal stuff, so didn't go through a lot today, but scanning CDs, this is all that I got left to scan, and I'm gonna leave this for tomorrow as I gotta leave. So I scanned through all of those. This is the keepers. This, and this little pile. Besides that, I'll show you in the office what we got. It's starting to get warmer outside. It was really like hot outside, but here in the warehouse it's pretty cold. That's why I'm still with a jacket, even though it's like 75 outside. So yeah, so this is it. Amazon Merchant fulfilled about 35 orders. More came in, but I won't pack it. I won't have time to pack it. 2 more came in. Very slow weekend on eBay. Yeah, we got those. Just a box full. Basically, that's it. Nothing too crazy today. Even though Amazon Merchant Fulfilled is going pretty well. 30 orders, it's a little slow, but compared to the amount of items that I have, it's pretty good. What's that? I don't know what happened to the ceiling all of a sudden. So yeah, I'm gonna pack and head home. I have to finish dealing with some personal stuff, so yeah. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. That's it. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys.